Good afternoon and welcome to the Good Plates Kitchen. Today we're making Beurre Manié. It's a French term and it means manipulated butter. Okay, so what do you use Beurre Manié for? Beurre Manié is very similar to roux except it's uncooked. And the great thing about it is that you can take a little bit of it and you can put it into your stew or whatever liquid that isn't thick enough, that you want thicker, and you put it in at the end and boom, it thickens it up. It's just absolutely fantastic. You can keep it in the refrigerator, and here's how we make it. Okay, it's equal parts flour and butter. Now I have my scale here, right here, and I have it set to grams. Now I'm going to take, it's 0 grams right now, so I'm going to take this bowl and put it on top. And now we're at 32G. So what we want to do is you want to take it to 0. Oh, it's at 0. Okay, now we're going to add, because it's equal parts flour and butter. Okay, so we are now at 12G. Okay, remember that. 12G for the butter. Take this off, put it over here. I'm going to put this other one on here. We're going to put it to 0 again, and I'm going to go into this flour. This is regular all-purpose flour, and I'm going to put 12 grams in here. We're at 2. Actually, we're at 3. 7. 11. Oh, don't need much more. 11. Oh, there we go, 12. Okay, that's enough. Now that we have equal weight, 12 grams each, and then we're going to mix the two together. Until all the flour is absorbed by the butter. It doesn't take very long. This is why it's important for the butter to be soft. Not too soft. We don't want it so soft that it's runny, but you do want it relatively soft so it's easy to work with. And you could use other types of fat. When I was learning when my mother was teaching me how to do this back in the day, when everybody thought that butter was bad for you, my mother used margarine. So now we have a mound. Still working it. I'm working it. Hands, because butter melts or starts melting actually at 98 degrees, which is the temperature of a human's hands. Butter keeps on getting softer and softer and softer. And if you could feel this, it feels really amazing. nice that is. All that flour has been absorbed now by the butter. Okay, now that has happened. Well, here's the thing. In the mixing process, yeah, you're going to lose a little bit of flour. And that's okay. Okay, now, it takes a little bit. Start sectioning it off. Now you can see how crumbly and wonderful it is. Now, you can form it into balls. My hand, see, there you go. One. See, like that. You can just keep on going. Manipulating it. That's why it's called Beurre Manié, because it's been manipulated. There you go. Just like that. Okay, there they go. Now, one of these should be enough to put into whatever stew or something that you're trying to thicken, and it'll thicken it just fine. Of course, you can break them apart if you need to, or you can add more if you want it extra thick. And all you have to do is put these in a container and keep them in your refrigerator, and you can have thickening power at your fingertips anytime you want. Okay, now that they've all been made, I'm going to just put them into a container. Okay, they fit all very nicely. Close the top. Go into the refrigerator and they will be used later on. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time on The Good Plate.